Good morning, guys. So, welcome back again. I hope you're taking care of yourselves at home and you're staying healthy. So today we're gonna go ahead and continue with 10.2. This is the second part. Yesterday we did the first part of 10.2. So what I wanted to start, or how I wanted to start off today, I wanted you to identify the given arcs as a major arc, a minor arc, or a semicircle. Then find the measure of each arc. So this is just a quick assessment for you guys and for myself to know how you're doing. So because we're not in class, I don't know how you're feeling about the material, but this is more for you guys to assess yourselves and see how well you're understanding the major arc, the minor arc, and the semicircle, and then how to find the measure of each arc. So just remember that something that I didn't thoroughly mention was the measure of a full circle is 360 degrees. So think of it as, for example, my younger brother, I remember him loving skateboarding all the time, and he would always talk about doing 360s or an ollie or 180. And so basically remember that if you're into skateboarding maybe, or you know someone who does, is that when you do a 360, you're doing a full on circle, okay? And then half of a circle is just a 180. So we're gonna go ahead and do this, the very first one. So take a moment and let's go with number one, or letter A. To find the measure of arc TQ, that's this part right here. Well, the arc is based on its central angle, right? And we know the central angle is the angle whose origin is at the center, and its sides are the two radius or radii. So here it would be 120. So TQ, arc TQ equals 180. Okay. QRT, so all the way around. So we have 120, 60, 80. We don't know what this angle is, and so I like to immediately start plugging in and finding the unknowns. So right off the bat, I don't know if you noticed this, but this right here is 120 plus 60 is 180. So it's telling me that this is half a circle, therefore this also has to be half a circle. So 80 plus what is 180? Well, it's 100, right? So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in right now. So now I have Q, R, all the way to T. This is the arc addition postulate. So I'm going to go ahead and add these up. 60, 100, and 80. So this is 160, 160, 240. Okay. C, they're asking you to find TQR. So TQR. This is all half a circle. So it's 180. Okay, now we need to find QS. QS. So whenever you're not sure if you're going to do minor or major arc, always go with the minor arc. Follow the minor arc first. So in this case, we're going to take the shorter route. So it'll be QRS, so 60 plus 100 is 160. Okay, TS, that's right here. It is also, we're taking the shorter route. No, we're not going this way, we're going right here. So it'll be 80 degrees. And the last one is arc RST. RST. So keep this in mind. Are we going this way or are we going this way? RST. Ooh, well, either direction that you actually choose to go doesn't matter because it's half a circle, right? So we end up getting the same degree measure for it. So our answer would be 180. And that's it for the opener. So hopefully you were able to get some of these right. And if not, you can always go back and rewatch the yesterday's lesson just to refresh your memory on the major arc, minor arc, semicircle, and how to find the measure of arcs.